Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Isha is here to bring a little positive change in your lives.
Yay!
Okay, thank you for the compliment. We are so chaotic.
Okay.
Yes, we are. Some people are not agreeing to come.
Yeah, I think.
But finally,
I think they don't
Yes.
take us as their friends, so
Exactly.
maybe उसके वजह से. Why we all are speaking English?
क्योंकि उनको इंग्लिश ही समझता है.
Hindi also.
गुजराती.
Guys, what we are going to do today is we are.
Sorry.
अगर हम ऐसे चलेंगे ना तो ये लोग मेरी हर एक
And
गम.
Tulsi always finds the dumb mistakes.
See, statue, everyone statue. Zip your mouth and keys with me. तो हमने एक ट्रिक सिलेक्ट किए हम एक मतलब मैंने किए सबके लिए one trick ऐसे सबने एक ट्रिक किए. Whoever gets the maximum point is the winner and whoever loses will get a punishment that we will decide at the end. I okay start. Okay, who will start?
I'll start.
Okay, go. Okay guys, final. Be ready. Be
Yes.
competitive.
Guys, it's a riddle.
Okay.
Okay. Like it's a two part. मतलब दोनों अलग अलग है, but I wanna do two. मतलब questions है तो we can do.
Okay.
So.
Bharat, don't see.
Bharat,
भरत अगर भरत आंसर करेगा तो he'll not get point now.
keep your phone ऐसे and look over here.
हाँ रुक ना. भरत is seeing over.
अरे ऐसे रख
Bharat,
के.
don't see. Now he's not seeing. See fast.
There are
Chalo,
three
start.
friends. They stay in a hotel. Okay. The hotel is $30. The cost of the hotel is $30.
How many friends?
Three
Three
friends.
friends.
So each will pay 10. Okay. So now the hotel returns $5. Okay. But the bellboy keeps $2 and gives the $3 back to the people. So now each person is paying $9. So they are paying $27, right? And the bellboy kept 2. So where is one remaining dollar? Where did $1 go? 27 plus 2 is 29. Where is the $1? Where did the $1 go?
Piggy bank.
No.
No,
Repeat the question again.
Three people stay in one room. It is of $30. Each person has to pay 10. Okay, but the hotel returns the $5. So, but what happens? Bellboy keeps the $2 and gives $3 back. So now, each of the person has paid $9. Okay, so that makes it 27. And the bellboy kept $2. Where is the
Remaining $1.
Wait, I will tell you. Now $30.
Yeah.
Okay, minus 5 because hotel is giving you $5 back. Okay, then now from that $5 the bellboy is keeping $2, but still there are $3 remaining, so he will give back. So 25 plus 3 is 28, not 27.
That I understood, but where did that?
But now
count
total are
27.
25. Now
No, they paid $9 each.
No, they paid 30 only at the start.
Isha got it.
And this
It was false. वो हुआ ही नहीं
हाँ
था.
भाई उन्होंने
It was
पहले ही
false.
$30 दे
They
दिए.
first gave $10.
I thought you are lying about
the
that.
$10.
I thought you
No,
30
in total. You have a half
27
point.
वाला कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. Why
You
half
have-
point?
I told
I
ना.
gave it with explanation.
अरे but I told I will ask 2.
Okay, 2. Okay, 0.5. Oh, 0.5. Strict teacher.
अरे a plane crashes on Canada and USA border. Okay. So now where will you bury the survivors?
There will be no
survivors.
And
No,
why will you bury a survivor?
Isha got the point again.
smart girl.
I want there be survivors. Gogi.
But they crash na.
Now survivors is plane
सर्वाइवर ને હું કેરા બરી કરશે પણ ઓલી કે જોય would be there પ્લેન ક્રેશ થાય તો કોઈ બચ્ચા ને એવું જાણે છે she is like why would be there survivor
जो
Hey, उल्टा हो जाएगा. It's certificate of
read the colors. You read the first 3 colors fast. not by what is written, by the ink of the color.
Grey, blue, pink, pink.
Bus.
It's
Pink,
not-
purple, green, red.
Grey, blue,
Anything.
pink.
Run किया हुआ है.
Pink, purple, green.
Orange, yellow,
फटाफट.
blue, red.
What is this?
purple.
Fast ball, fast.
It's not purple.
It is purple.
This is purple.
I thought you are reading.
Minus one point. Minus 1 point.
Minus one.
Do you?
Okay.
Pink, purple, green, red, blue, yellow, and orange.
Oh, nice one.
Not yellow.
Hey, last one.
Yellow.
You pass. You only can do it.
Not yellow. Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow.
चलो guys, next.
Me 1 point.
Mine is successful. अच्छी tricks थी guys. It was good.
Okay, चलो.
So I will spell a word like the alphabets. You need to say what word it is. Okay. What word goes as SHOP?
Shop.
Okay. Now I'm asking a question. You need to answer the question. What do you do when you come to a green light?
Stop.
No.
Everyone is wrong, but everyone is wrong.
Nobody
I
gets
said
the
go.
point.
Go.
Check the video.
No, you said after.
No, we both said go.
Okay.
Okay, we will check.
Half point, half point.
We'll check.
So at a
We
green
both
light.
are half a point.
You go.
Okay, they got both.
Okay. हाँ, चलो.
1-1.
Wait,
Yeah.
she's asking.
Yeah, that was the trick.
Or okay.
Okay.
Who is next?
હું કરું
હા.
ટંગ ટ્વિસ્ટર છો. She sells by the seashore.
You only.
No, I told when
She sells.
She
On
sells.
the seashore.
I will start. This will be funny.
સ્ટાર્ટ કરો ચલો ગાઈસ.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
ફાસ્ટ બોલવાનું છે ફાસ્ટ.
She sells by the sheets.
Okay. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells.
by the seashore. I got to know her name.
Wait, I will say one time.
By the seashore.
I think I am getting this point. Wait.
No.
She sells seashells by the seashore. चल जागो.
Seashells by the seashore.
रुक join बोल रहा था. Join बोल.
She sells by the seashore.
પણ આમ જોઈને નહીં બોલીને
अबे જોઈને નહીં. જોયા વગર નથી આવડતું. જોઈને નથી આવડતું. જોયા વગર તો હું જ કરશે.
શામાં મારું પહેલાથી
I'm going to mess it up, but I will
Try.
She sells by the seashore.
કરેક્ટ.
नहीं, not correct.
It was
बोल
correct.
परिति
It
बोल.
was correct.
It was not correct.
She
You
sells.
don't lie, okay?
हाँ, Isha.
She sells by the seashore.
हाँ, it is correct, Isha.
It is not correct.
It is correct.
It is correct.
She sells seashell नहीं. She sells seashell.
Her turn.
She sells by the seashore.
આ બધા આમાં મિસ્ટેક જ કરે છે પણ માનતા નથી કોઈ. હે ને?
Arvind.
हाँ,
She sells seashells on the seashore.
By the seashore. No.
But
On the seashore નહીં.
By the seashore.
સરનું છે, હું બરાબર બોલ્યો.
But by the
આ
seashore
બે
છે.
ગલત બોલ્યા છે.
Okay, view points.
Correct છે.
Wait, रुको बोलो फिर.
Yes, I do
रुक बोल. Yes,
Isha
I
and Cheryl got a point.
Yeah.
Isha, I should have at least half point, okay?
No. Let's be fair. We gave second chance to everyone.
You took 3 chances, 4 chances. Then.
Bharat, I was not even going to get second chance because I did in the first one only.
Okay.
Yeah, I also did the first one.
hers is fair, Bharat. Hers is
Okay, now very good.
Jagruti will start.
Yes.
Yeah, આગળ
પાછળ
આવી
આવી.
ગયો છું નહીં આવે. I am
I'm about to read your mind.
Read your mind છે.
You ready?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Take off a number between
one.
Arey, I know this. I was going to do it.
Okay.
Okay, we know. We did this right now only.
Yeah, I did it with the.
आज कहीं.
આ જ કરવું છે.
हाँ.
Yes.
Original number?
हाँ, okay.
So?
Wait.
Answer will be, I know what will be the answer.
In one mood. I saw this YouTube shorts now. I saw this.
Nice one ना.
I was like, why? वो कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहे? पर उसके तूने कब डाला पेपर बुक में?
अभी. Guys, I'm back.
The trick was okay, but the fun part of was that my pate is looking.
If no one tells, then I will get the point.
No one got this point. Jagrati got this point.
Yes.
For putting paper with it.
Isha.
Okay, guys. So this is the question.
My pate is looking. Find the black dot.
But we both will. ईशा का wrong हुआ.
Dot. I know. I don't know. Wait, उसके dot. Wait, talk something. Your voice is very high. No. It's no. Give me. Wait. Me and Tulsi will be last. Huh? No.
I understood.
Maybe some illusion.
You said him.
No.
It's like
तने
illusion.
बताए कान में कहीं भी तो नहीं
Let's go to
तो अबे ये सब के पॉइंट करते
हाँ,
Jagrati,
Joan.
I'll show you 3 dots, okay?
No, not that dot. Inside that square box. You have to find.
Inside
ओए
the
only
square.
one chance हाँ भरत so think and then tell
Yeah. એવું નહીં.
What she was saying?
झूम કરીને ક્યાંથી ગોતી
हाँ, okay.
Girl showed. What this mad girl showed, you know? She showed a black dot over here.
No.
ના
એ નથી યાર.
But you નથી answer ही નથી.
Zoom મત કરતા એવું કહેવાય ને કે zoom નત કરવાનું.
ખાલી આમ દૂરથી કહેવાનું
દૂરથી આમ મતલબ આમ
ઓય don't search
readable
આમ.
distance થી જોઈને
તો
કહેવાનું.
dot થી આખું square.
ના, sentence
tell
માં
the
નથી.
answer to
મતલબ
that
એમાંથી નથી કહેવાનું.
don't tell everyone
It's not in the sentence or black dot.
હા હા.
બધાય મને તમે
Black
ઈ જ કીધું પહેલા. મેં ઈ જ કીધું.
Nah. Ah, it's okay. There is no black dot.
yes
We are seeing illusions.
there are many
Illusions,
black dots
yeah.
white dots ऐसा illusions
But there is no specific black dot.
illusions है हाँ
Isha and Bharat.
No, mine.
Okay, now Bharat's trick.
You should tell me. Okay. This is open or close.
I mean, Bharat, wait, I have one question.
Okay.
You opened it little bit.
No.
अरे do one
The
everyone.
lid is there only, but it's loose or tight and you are talking
No.
about that, na?
I just. What did you do? No. Open or close?
Close.
Open or close?
Close.
No, open. Open or close? Open or close?
Close.
Open. Open or close?
Open.
Yeah.
Bharat.
Balance it. Arey.
Open or close?
Close.
No, open. Open or close?
Close.
No.
Open.
Bharat, next me.
Again, one time.
Yeah, no, over.
Don't say the answer, Arvind.
One time.
No, finish. You won't answer.
Me,
It's not in the bottle.
Please, me. Hey, you shouldn't say.
अरे आवाज से
Me.
I
Hey,
think I got
guys,
to tell
it's
you.
me.
I also got.
Bharat, now
I got.
Sir, okay, Arvind. Open or close?
Open.
Open or close?
Open. Okay.
I got it.
I also got it.
Bharat,
I do one
say,
Cheryl and yes,
I
I
got
got.
point or not, you say.
Yeah, Arvind got point.
Yeah, Cheryl.
Or close?
Fell down. What are the issue? समझ नहीं लेगा?
ये वो मस्त था।
Cap or not?
No, it's not related
Open
to
or
the cap.
close?
Open.
Open or close?
जागृति हो गया तुम्हारा?
Open.
नहीं हुआ
किसका?
प्लीज
Open or
किसी का
close?
नहीं हुआ
Open.
Open or close?
No, I didn't got now.
Only animal.
अरे ईशा नहीं
અરે એક
फरक
મિનિટ મને
पड़े।
થોડુંક શાયદ ખબર પડી છે
Open or close?
ઓપન
Open or close?
ક્લોઝ આઈ ગોટ ઇટ
No. Only animal.
No.
આઈ ગોટ ઇટ
Not open and close.
Wait, no, he'll only see the answer.
નો આઈ ગોટ
My mouth. I'm
He's
asking.
asking about. He's asking like he's showing the direction
Mana
of his finger
adi-
and asking
Mar-
open or close to his
I
mouth.
got point.
Okay.
Say again, say again, say again.
અરે જો
I'm keeping the bottle, okay? Like this.
એને એમ
I'm
નતું કીધું ને
asking
બોટલ ના
open
મારે
or close, and I'm keeping my mouth like this.
Like this, and he's showing finger direction. You
Yeah,
guys are not
he's
saying the finger
pointing.
direction.
આઈ ગોટ ભરત આઈ ટોલ્ડ
Only animal.
Shall Arvind got.
ઓકે
Okay.
ડન
Oh, it's drink. Oh, I thought it's over.
Okay. So you have to write, don't write, matlab, you have to fill something over here, but you have to, it should be right, the sequence should be right, but you can't write E.
Can I?
हाँ,
Don't write, write.
Can
in-
I also?
I can also.
Can I also?
Yeah, wait.
જોયું છે તમે?
જો પેલા આમ તે
કરી દે હા હું
E no લખી શકે, but the sequence should be right, no?
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I.
I. Okay.
કહું હું તને
હા હું નાના તારું right.
ఏందంట? నాకు అర్థం కాదు.
Yeah, don't see.
No. What you said? What is the question?
సీరియల్ ఉండాలంట అక్కడ సీక్వెన్స్ లో ఉండాలంట కానీ ఈ మాత్రం ఉండకూడదంట.
मतलब it should be E, but it shouldn't be E. Oh, then I can also do.
Don't see.
I have
No.
2 answers for this.
Wrong.
I have 2 answers
No,
for
only
this.
one should be.
જો.
नहीं बदन सामने नहीं बोल correct sequence but you can't write E this
But
अच्छा,
I have
हाँ,
one
I'll
sub
write.
question. I
I'll
have
write.
one sub question. Can I ask you?
no don't
દે હું આન્સર દઈ દઉં પહેલા મને આવડી ગયું. આન્સર દઈ બતાવ મને. હા જો. બધી છે.
अरे बोल माने काय आ दे बोल करता था
જો.
Wrong?
sequence should be correct anyhow but it should not be you can't write E don't see Bharat
Come on,
I have so many variants of this. આમ લખું કે ખાલી acting?
લખ correct તું કઈ રીતે લખે છે એ ડિપેન્ડ કરે છે
I think I'm going to get it wrong. શું કર્યું બતાવો તો.
sequence એમ ક્યાંથી આવ્યો
અરે you told you can write
What is
anything.
this?
she wrote M
M
this is
is
wrong
ઈ પછી શું આવે
Okay, I won't get point, but
અરે ઈ આ લીટી છે ને ઈ ની
ચૂપ રે ને
અલે
Oh, tell me the question once.
sit down
Okay.
વિચારો.
Tell me.
now complete this
Wait,
sequence
see,
but you cannot
Write
write
E.
E but you have to write E
you cannot
અરે,
write
don't
alphabet
say
E.
like that.
હવે આને એટલા હિન્ટ આપે તો
હિન્ટ આપી દીધી ને આપણે
જો તો પછી અગર પનિશ કરવાના આવ્યું ને તો એને પનિશમેન્ટ મળશે. ઓકે
F.
why F after the F comes
No.
you have to complete this sequence.
okay
Ah.
chalo
Means like this.
હા
he's right but still you don't get the
Why?
Because
I'm
first you
telling-
did this.
No, I do. See, I am writing correctly only.
I'm
Okay.
also not getting the point. I also told her
No.
correctly second time.
no but it's wrong Bharat yeah this is right but you wrote
I wrote it correctly
First
only.
time got it. First you wrote F.
You didn't say.
F and on
Yeah,
correct no point
No, hey, I wrote it correctly. I wrote it correctly. No.
Second time you wrote.
No, she said, I thought we should write
He
it.
gets. I also want.
No one gets this.
I should be now. I want chance. No, you before you should.
No. Because you didn't.
Cheryl gets the marks. And Jagruti.
ते जागृती
Yesha, Cheryl and Jagruti gets the marks. Tulsi and Bharat and Arvind also somewhat. No, Tulsi तो didn't get only.
ए राइट मैं एनी पहला तो मैं कही दी तू
Second time she got.
हाँ मैं लिखू छे आ
Sorry, મને
Hey,
like
I wrote that F,
This
okay?
Arvind wrote.
નો આઈ ટોલ્ડ યુ
તે તો એમ બનાવ્યો.
એને એના હાથમાં એમ લખ્યું પછી મેં એને બતાવ્યું તો એને હા
I
પાડી
wrote.
યોગી
हाँ, sorry.
No, I also
એની
wrote
પહેલા
it.
આય આન્સર
No, I also wrote.
Okay, these three got.
No, I also got.
Arvind, guys, listen what he came and wrote.
It is also right.
But how can you write E? You have to write over here.
Okay.
English alphabet, bro.
Okay, guys, it's done. What word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary?
I know.
Okay,
इनकरेक्टली
but Arvind gets the point. He.
बाय
Right, I already
It's
said.
done with Syam. Okay. So what is it?
इनकरेक्टली आल्सो
Incorrectly.
wrong correctly WRONG
Yeah.
wrong is also wrong
Incorrectly.
Incorrect.
Incorrectly.
incorrectly
Okay, Arvind,
wrong also but incorrectly is
Arvind, do
right.
you have any questions? Yeah.
I have one more trick.
Yeah.
Okay.
जागृति आंबेस या तो आंबेस तुलसी नहीं रहते.
હું એક ને બતાવીશ એ તમે રીડ કરજો.
એ હા ચલ હું પેલા
તને આવડે છે ને?
પણ બતાવો ખબર
અરે
નહીં.
ઈશાથી
ઓલાની જ છે ને
મને કે શું છે?
still looks bad હે
Wrong.
બતાઈ
ના, હવે થઈ
હવે થઈ ગયું,
ગયું.
થઈ ગયું,
એ
થઈ
એકવાર
ગયું.
રીડ કરવાનું છે.
ખાલી રીડ કરવાનું.
હા
Okay, આ કહેવાનું છે.
હા રીડ કર મતલબ શું છે?
अरे ओके वेदो में अక్కడ దిగిన అందరూ పెద్దగా దిగినాగానే అప్పుడు
You correct. અરવિંદ come here.
ईशा क्या फोटो
मैं लिटरल सेंटेंस रीड कर उसमें एक ग्रामेटिकल चेंज मत करो. ग्रामेटिकल चेंज करो
అదే సార్ కంప్లీట్ మీద ఓకే
બોલમાં ઓલા બેન બાકી
પણ અગર એની જે ક્વેશ્ચન છે એ હિસાબથી તો
ના
મારે
ક્વેશ્ચન જ ઈ છે કે ઈ આખું રીડ કરવાનું છે
You tell
શું
this
read કરું?
sentence.
Read in your mind and then tell Yesha.
બે છે
ప్యారిస్ ఇన్
wrong છે
ప్యారిస్ ఇన్ ది స్ప్రింగ్
No, Karan.
Yeah, he's a
the spring બોલો the spring ઈ છે પેરિસ in the
તમને
spring
આવડે જ છે?
હા
ઈશાએ ખાલી પેરિસ ઇન ધ સ્પ્રિંગ.
we are not going except Isha હા પણ it's okay
చీటర్
એમાં શું
I didn't get the point.
చీటర్
and I'm
చీటర్
cheater.
బిఫోర్
Shut
she
up.
cheated down on she lost it
guys
Arvind, you are not coming in the
these
frame.
are the series of yes or no questions. Just like in yes or no, very fast. Okay. We are seven wonders.
Yes.
Yes.
We are in Georgia.
Yes.
We are in Tbilisi.
Yes.
We are Indians.
Yes.
We are shooting a video.
Yes.
Sun rises from the west.
No.
Sun rises from the
East.
east and sets in the west.
Yes.
Three. So I think Bharat gets the point.
Hey,
No, Arvind. Bharat ne to bhi ek point. Arvind doesn't have any.
I said Bharat's answer, Isha's answer, and Yasha's answer.
this is unfair. Totally unfair.
Nothing is unfair. Nothing is unfair.
No, nothing is
She took
unfair.
three
Nobody
chances.
lost.
No, she took three
Nobody
chances.
lost. Nobody lost.
Okay, nobody lost.
It's a tie between three of you.
Winners versus losers.
No, then
But
three.
we enjoyed.
We enjoyed it.
Oh, we had a fun.
This was
Come on,
it for
outro.
today's video. And thanks for watching.
Bye bye.